Welcome to Crew Control. Let's get started with setting up your recurring maintenance jobs. First, click the Add Recurring Job button on your calendar. Now you'll need to specify the customer. Type the customer's name, and if it's new customer, select Add, then provide all the customer details. You can use the Smart Address search to select the correct address for your customer. Once you've filled in all the details, click Add Customer to save the customer to your system. Next, you'll choose the frequency for your recurring job. For this example, it'll be a monthly maintenance service, so I'll choose monthly. Then I'll choose the week of each month it recurs. Let's say it starts every first week. Then specify the week the service will begin. I'll choose this week. Then I'll specify the day of the week it recurs. I'll say it's every Monday. I'll then provide the times of the job and set an arrival window to provide to the customer. Now let's enter the job details. For job time tracking, enter in the man hours needed to complete this job. In this case, it'll be 1. And then specify the service you'll be providing. You can choose from an existing service or create a new one. Next, you'll want to enter in any instructions or details for your crew. You can specify checklists and attachments that will be accessible from their dispatch schedule or mobile application. For billing information, you can specify the per visit line items. For this case, I'll specify maintenance with an amount per visit of $150. When you enter in your billing details, you'll be able to calculate your daily revenue as well as create invoices with just a click of a button. Once everything is set, you can click Save. This maintenance is now set to occur the first Monday of every month. When your day is ready, you can dispatch the schedule to your crew lead's phone or tablet using the Dispatch Schedule option. And that's everything. You're now all set to manage your recurring jobs with ease. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.